In the last video, we've learned how to create a pie chart. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to create another chart, a line chart, so that we can display the information on when pump 1 and pump 3 ran over the course of the last month. So let's go ahead and add our one last chart. Let's head over to our report and add a new page. Let's rename this page. I'm going to rename it line chart. So we have the option to add a time series chart, but that's not what we're going to add. We're going to select line chart here. So don't use the time chart, because if you have the chance to play with Data Studio a bit, you'll quickly notice that time charts aggregates your data into days. But oftentimes we'll want to display finer details, since we're collecting data from our sensors every few seconds or minutes, and we want to show that in our chart. So we're going to stick with line charts, and we're going to select the same data source as our table. So not this one. I'm going to select pump runtime logs. We'll take the date as the dimension, and then we're going to select port 1 and port 3 as the metrics. We'll also want to sort this in ascending order and sort it by date. And let's make the chart bigger right away. So now that's kind of what I wanted, but not exactly. I seem to only have 2 days worth of data, but I've requested for 27 days. So there's definitely something wrong here. And the reason why we're not seeing 27 days worth of data is because by default, Google Data Studio limits the number of points displayed on a chart. My guess is that they do so to make sure that our page loads quickly. Fortunately, it's a settings that we can change for line charts. So we're gonna do that and click on the line chart, click on style, and then under number of points, we're seeing that the chart defaults to 500 points. Let's increase this tenfold. Still not enough, because we have data from September 21st to September 26th only. So let's increase to 50,000. There, it looks like I now have my whole chart. Obviously, this is not a very nice presentation, but still, it gives us some idea of when pump 1 and pump 3 ran during the course of the month. That's it. We've covered a lot of material in this section. We've seen how we can play with calculated fields to generate meaningful charts, and in the next lesson, we're going to continue exploring line charts.